Oh, Saint Lucia, what a feeling now! Toraille cascade, hear the rushing sound, drenching my spirit on this sacred ground. Feel the power, feel the vibe. Never felt so much alive. Indulge and beyond, take me high. Indulge and beyond, touch the sky.
Welcome back to Indulge and Beyond. If you are looking to immerse yourself in the natural, lush beauty of Saint Lucia, there is one iconic spot just outside Soufriere that you simply cannot miss. We are here at the spectacular Toraille Falls. It's one of the most accessible and picturesque waterfalls on the entire island, dropping nearly 50 feet over a sheer cliffside into a beautifully landscaped tropical garden. Today, we are taking you through the experience, the cost, and exactly what it feels like to stand right under these powerful waters. Just a short drive from Toraille Falls lies a completely different kind of natural wonder. Welcome to the historical Diamond Falls Botanical Gardens. It's second day in Saint Lucia, Soufriere. And it's in the morning, almost 10:30 in the morning, and we are on our way to see few of the waterfalls. That's the plan for now, to experience some of the waterfalls here, and then we have some snorkeling, going to the beach, and then finally the famous mud bath. So that's the itinerary for today.
I like the mango trees all around. Look at the lush green forest here. We are planning to do a rainforest. So inside of the island is very much lush green forest. So this is the very special about this Saint Lucia. It's a very much rainforestry. But if you see here, everywhere is so much trees and all green. So much trees. I like that.
Happy family. What's the name, my boy? I'm Jason. And you? And now, one love.
Sima,
Sima, enjoy. Happy
Thank
family,
you.
Okay? Well fulfilled.
we
Enjoy
are
the
at
best. Happy wife, happy husband, happy kids.
Toraille. We are at the Toraille Waterfall. Okay, and entry fees are $3. What makes Toraille so wonderful is that you don't need to embark on a grueling hours-long jungle trek to reach it. It's an incredibly easy walk right from the parking lot, making it a perfect, refreshing stop during a day of exploring. As you walk in, the sound of the crashing water immediately fills the air. The falls are tucked away in a vibrant canopy of green, and the property features changing rooms, restrooms, and a lovely picnic area. It's the ultimate tropical oasis designed for total relaxation. Wow! Toraille Falls cascades down a sheer cliff from a height of 50 feet. This significant drop makes it one of the tallest and most visually impressive accessible waterfalls in Saint Lucia. The height creates a steady, powerful stream that transforms into a misty canopy just before it hits the plunge pool below. The stream that feeds Toraille Falls originates high up in the lush Grand Pitons mountain range and the surrounding rainforest reserves. Because it is fed directly by natural river streams flowing down from the high-altitude rainforest, the waterfall maintains a steady, continuous flow year-round, entirely independent of geothermal or volcanic springs. Unlike the nearby warm volcanic mineral baths of the sulfur springs or Pitons Falls, the water at Toraille Falls is delightfully cool and refreshing. Coming straight from the mountain forest, the cool temperature provides a perfect, invigorating contrast to the warm, tropical Caribbean climate. It feels like a crisp, natural rain shower that instantly cools you down after a day of hiking.
I want to take a plunge, not jumping. We'll go underneath that waterfalls here. We'll go there and take a picture. It's only me. The other kids are not coming in. It's only myself. So yeah, I'm in a line. All of a sudden you get a big line here. So we'll go underneath that. We'll see. In the water here. Water is cold, but very good. It feels refreshing, but it has the power, almost like 200 feet or more is coming out from there. I'll superimpose. So I'm almost there. I'll go down from here, go over there, take a picture, and that's it. We'll see. Okay, now it's my turn. We are going there. Let's see. Look here, how is water? Connection with Saint Lucia's landscape, a moment where you can simply stand still, close your eyes, and let the raw energy of the falls wash over you. No, coconut.
Coconut. She was only
bread.
Coconut bread, Baba.
Cake
Okay, coconut cake.
Oh, you have a coconut cake.
That's a cake.
Yeah.
And then what
you
is
want
this?
a coconut
This is
cake?
This is sweet, sweet and sour, very nice.
Sweet and sour.
You want to try? Okay, give one please.
So you have to add some salt. And what do you call this fruit?
Golden apple.
Golden apple.
Put some salt.
Take a picture.
Yeah, I'm recording.
Look at that.
Okay, mix করে নাও পুকা. Yeah,
Something.
Very nice.
good.
Okay, how much is that? Total.
$3. Let's go to this.
You can keep five.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Is it sweet?
It's sweet?
Sweet and
ওই যে ওইটা কি যেন এটাকে বলে বাংলাতে?
Amra.
আমরা?
It's amra.
আমরা.
The coconut apple or golden apple.
But
in
it's
Bengali
called-
it's amra.
আমরা.
So it's amra which is like ripe and half ripe. But it's very tasty.
Bite now, একটা bite now. Get a bite. Good.
It's amra.
So if you come early, you'll get a good spot and the crowd would be less. Like as soon as it like hits 10, এদিকে জায়গা আছে, ঠিক আছে. It's after 10:30 you can see all the bus comes and then that place gets really crowded. When we were there, it's empty right away and then the bus comes one after another. So if you want less crowd and time to yourself, try to come early in the morning.
Or late.
Yeah, or late in the day. No, the waterfall was nice. Like you get to actually stand beneath it and enjoy it. No doubt about that.
I think that's good.
Entry fee is $3. We hope you enjoyed this refreshing look at Toraille Falls. It truly is a must-see piece of Saint Lucia's paradise. If you loved this adventure, please hit that like button and subscribe to Indulge and Beyond so you never miss our stay and nature tours. Know more about Saint Lucia. Don't forget to share this video with your favorite travel buddy and drop a comment below. Would you be brave enough to stand under the power of those falls? We'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure to join us in our very next episode as we continue the journey just down the road to the stunning Diamond Falls Botanical Garden. You won't want to miss that. Colors there. See you in the next episode. Till then, goodbye.